Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of kick scooters for kids. I've rounded up the top 5 best options available right now, each with unique features and benefits, so you can choose the perfect one for your young rider. All the product links will be in the description below, so be sure to check those out. Let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Besrey kick scooter for kids. This 3-wheel scooter is designed for younger riders aged 3 to 10, and it's all about safety and fun. One of its standout features is the extra-wide deck with an anti-slip coating, which provides a stable platform for kids to ride confidently. The LED light-up wheels are another big win, adding a cool factor while also improving visibility during evening rides. The lean-to-steer technology encourages better balance and coordination, which is a huge plus for growing kids. The build quality is impressive, with a sturdy aluminum frame that keeps the scooter lightweight yet durable. It folds down quickly for easy transport and storage, making it super convenient for families constantly on the go. However, the rear brake, while functional, requires some effort to engage, especially for younger kids. This scooter is ideal for outdoor play and recreational use, but its smaller wheels mean it's best suited for smooth surfaces. The price point of $62.99 is mid-range, and while it's not the cheapest option, the high-quality materials and thoughtful design make it a solid investment for safety-conscious parents. Just keep in mind that it's not the best choice for older or heavier kids, as the weight limit maxes out at 110 pounds. Coming in at number 4 is the Gotrax KS1 Kids Kick Scooter, a fantastic first scooter for kids aged 2 to 8. What sets this scooter apart is its LED light-up wheels, which not only look amazing but also enhance safety by making the scooter more visible during low-light conditions. The lean-to-steer technology is perfect for younger riders, helping them develop balance and coordination naturally. With 3 adjustable handlebar heights, this scooter can grow alongside your child, ensuring years of use. The Gotrax KS1 features a wide anti-slip deck that provides extra stability for little feet. The lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy for parents to carry around, and the disassembly process is quick and simple, perfect for families on the move. However, the scooter's 3-wheel design is less maneuverable compared to 2-wheel options. And it's not ideal for older kids due to its 110-pound weight limit. At $37.99, this is a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on essential features. It's an excellent choice for parents looking to introduce their kids to scooter riding in a safe and fun way. Just keep in mind that the smaller wheels might struggle on rough terrain, so it's best suited for smooth sidewalks or paved paths. At number 3, we have the Gotrax KS8 Kick Scooter. Designed for kids aged 5 and up, this scooter offers a premium riding experience at a reasonable price. The KS8 features large 8-inch wheels that provide a smooth and stable ride, even over uneven surfaces. The adjustable handlebar has 3 height settings, making it a great option for growing riders. The wide deck ensures a comfortable stance, while the rear brake allows for quick and safe stopping. The build quality is excellent, with a lightweight yet durable frame that's easy to maneuver. The detachable design makes it simple to store and transport, which is a major plus for families with limited space. However, the iron material, while sturdy, adds a bit more weight compared to aluminum options, which might make it less portable for younger kids. Priced at $59.99, the Gotrax KS8 strikes a balance between affordability and performance. It's perfect for kids who are ready to graduate from 3-wheel scooters to something more advanced. The only downside is its slightly heavier frame, but its stability and smooth ride more than make up for it. Taking the number 2 spot is the Razor A Kick Scooter, a classic choice that's been a favorite for years. This scooter is incredibly lightweight at just 4.6 pounds, making it easy for kids to carry and maneuver. The folding mechanism is simple and efficient, allowing for quick storage and transport. The adjustable handlebars ensure a comfortable fit as your child grows, and the rear fender brake provides reliable stopping power. The Razor A is built to last, with a durable aluminum frame and solid urethane wheels that can handle regular use. While it doesn't have the flashy extras like LED wheels or lean-to-steer technology, it excels in simplicity and reliability. However, its smaller wheels are better suited for smooth surfaces, and the 143-pound weight limit might not accommodate older or larger kids. At just $27.49, this is the budget option on our list, and it delivers exceptional value for its price. If you're looking for a no-frills scooter that gets the job done, the Razor A is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for kids aged 5 and up who are just starting their scooter journey. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Razor A5 Lux kick scooter, the premium option on our list. This scooter is built for older kids, teens, and even adults with a weight capacity of up to 220 pounds. The extra-large 8-inch urethane wheels provide a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough surfaces. The anodized finish and bold graphics make it a stylish choice that stands out from the crowd. The A5 Lux features an adjustable handlebar and a spacious deck, making it comfortable for taller riders. The build quality is top-notch, with a super strong aluminum frame that ensures durability without compromising on weight. At 9.4 pounds, it's slightly heavier than other options, but this added weight contributes to its stability and sturdiness. Priced at $109.99, the Razor A5 Lux is the most expensive option on our list. But its performance and build quality justify the cost. It's perfect for kids aged 8 and up who want a high-performance scooter for recreational riding or even urban commuting. While it may be overkill for younger or more casual riders, it's hands down the best choice for those who want the ultimate kick scooter experience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this detailed breakdown of the top 5 kick scooters for kids. If this video helped you make a decision, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. Have questions about any of these products? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.